I do like standing up and rolling on stain.
Yeah, just, when you're standing and rolling, it's a lot easier.
All right, so I'm gonna go right in the middle of this color
And
here.
this,
What's the?
this is straight slate, Robert?
Yeah.
Tobacco.
So you guys.
Oh, tobacco,
you guys
straight tobacco,
start
sorry.
wiping it up.
So one pre-wipes and then one right wipe.
Yeah, I mean, generally, you should have one of each. Each guy's got one of each.
The more
That way you're
aggressive,
kinda
the more aggressively you wipe it, the more vibrant the color.
Like you're going that way, so I would say use your left hand for the heavy thing, like you got the right hand. So he's gonna.
we're gonna do both.
Yeah, you're gonna do both.
Yeah, so wipe it aggressively, guys. Get into it. Like you're buffing a frickin' wax off a car.
Now I always say try to go with the grain, you know, back and forth as opposed to like swirly.
Yeah.
You know, type thing.
You gotta love that no smell, huh?
And if you're following him along,
So do you have to be careful doing this? Can you over wipe accidentally in one section?
No, wipe it like just there's no tomorrow, man. The more aggressively you wipe it, that color just pops. It becomes very vibrant.
So now clean it. Did you clean yours up, Jeff, or no?
I did.
Okay.
So like right there, they're not quite overlapping. Will that show us? Will you see that?
No, that's what he-
Straight
that's why he
tobacco. This is
purposely
tobacco
stopped there.
on white oak.
Because he wanted to see whether you would see it.
all right.
Beautiful.
Okay, so now I just want to let that sit for just
A minute.
Here's the other thing too.
There he is, man. How you doing? Greg, it's good to see you.
You guys ever sweat?
Hey, I'm doing live video, man.
Are you?
Yeah.
I know that's kind of sweat.
That's a lot of sweat.
The HyperTone stains, man. This is the whole. This is where it's at.
That guy's working hard.
nobody works that hard.
No smell. Works like an oil. All the benefits of water. The other thing too is if you sweat on this, it's not going to leave any spots. Which is
So
kind
obviously you guys would be on this side, right?
Yeah.
Kind of thing, working your way.
So is that how much?
And then what about all this here? Do I need to go over that, or just
When
of,
they're-
well, when you're doing
when
it, you
they're
go
out,
working 24 by 36 inch rows, cut it as you go, and then roll it on, wipe off.
But it looks like you're using a ton, right? Like when you're putting it out.
And the more aggressively you wipe it, the more vibrant the color.
Dropping down into the wood.
You just got to get in and just rub that baby hard, man.
Rub it hard.
Yes.
Jeff.
Yep.
Always do.
Blending right now, right?
Yeah. Goes without saying. Sir?
Beautiful. Gotta love it, man. I love this tobacco color. This tobacco color is one of the nicest browns just straight out of the jug. Now, if you take our product Clear Base and add it, you can do thousands of different shades of tobacco because the Clear Base has no yellow in it. It's a toner. It's a color that's going to just open the door to more color tones for you. Beautiful job. Basic coatings made in America.